I think it looks clean and fresh and ready to go right out of the box. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new style release by Rene of Paris. This one is called NYX. It's in the color White Rose Blonde. I have all the details for you and also a promo code. If you decide to purchase at WIGSTUDIO1, you can get 30% off by using the link below this video. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@WIGSTUDIO1.com. In the front, you're going to see about 11.5 inches. Now you've noticed that it is scooped off to the side a little bit here. It stays out of the face very nicely. This one includes an extended lace front left mono part, so I was able to part it right along that monofilament to get this look. It is very light and delicate, made from the heat-friendly fiber by Rene of Paris. It's lightweight, light density. There is some permatease on this style. You can find that all the way around the middle, the back, and the bottom at the nape, but it's not too intense and it doesn't give too much volume. Now this does have quite a bit of hair, but each one of these fibers is silky fine, so that's why the density appears so fluffy. Now all I did was take this out of the box and shake it a little bit. About 12 to 13 inches all the way around, which is a really nice length. Not too long, not too short. And it weighs right around 4 ounces, so it is really lightweight and light feeling. Let's take a look at the inside of the cap. I think you're going to be impressed by this from Rene of Paris. You're going to see that extended lace front. It goes back into the ear tab, eliminating that seam at that junction. And then you're going to see a very long monofilament left part that runs all the way back to the hind crown. That gives a nice natural looking parting space and should give you the illusion of scalp no matter which color you choose. It is a nice looking piece. You're going to see where they do run the highlight right up to the lace front. The lace front is made from a little bit of a thicker material, but it's not scratchy on my head. It lays flat to the head. Talking about the cap's fit, I had to cinch this in as far as it could go to accommodate my petite average circumference, but it feels really nice. So I was able to get a good adjustment for a 21 1/4 inch circumference. So the curl pattern is a shattered broken spiral. There's limited layering. It kind of has the appearance of a blunt cut, which makes it really nice and modern. Before we start in with some styling, let's talk about White Rose Blonde. I've reviewed this before. It's a lovely, soft, creamy white blonde. Not quite as harsh as a straight-on platinum. You're going to see some variation there. So that white, creamy white matte blonde is going to poke through and be the main color story here. You're going to see some sandy blonde through there as well. And I'm not seeing any yellow in this color, although the sandiness does warm it up just a bit. It is neutral, leaning cool. And that root is rather dark. It's a medium root. And they do a nice job blending that into the style the best they can with such a light color. So let's take a look at this in outdoor light, and then we'll do some styling. So let's try with my reader glasses here, and I find that it does have a really nice fit between the ear and the ear tab, and it is a good glasses friendly style. There's very limited permatease in that area. Let's get started with some styling. I'm going to move it around, show you the fluffiness of it, the lighter density, the movement, and the versatility of this style. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you right back here at TAZSWICCLOSET.